Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to walk you around this lovely bit of stock that we've just taken in. This is a 420R SV finished in Gulf Blue. Now this one has had an owner but it's only got 20 miles on the clock as he ended up going for something else. Let's take a walk around together and see some of its cool features and some of the spec. So this 420R was originally registered in September 24, so it's on a 74 plate. It's got quite a cool list of features, so we'll start off by talking about what a 420R is in general. So it's got the 2-litre Duratec engine that does 210 brake horsepower, and it's also got some cool bits from the R pack, which include the lightweight flywheel, uprated master brake cylinder, and also a limited slip diff. Some of the optional spec that this car comes with is the clear lens pack for the sign indicators and also the main pods. You've also got the high intensity LED lights, and you've got the sports suspension pack. Also, the two front cycle wings have been PPF'd as well as the rear ones. So now moving on down to the side of the 420R, as you can see it's on the 15-inch Orcus alloys finished in anthracite. They are wrapped around on Avon ZZS tyres, and again for 20 miles they're still in brand new condition. Moving on further down the side, you've got the rear exit exhaust system on this one, which is an optional spec. It puts the exhaust at the rear for those track days and meeting those regulations. You've also got the master battery cut-off switch fitted, and this one does come with the full hood and side screens as well. And now moving on to the rear, as you can see, the roll bar has also been painted in Gulf Blue to match the rest of the body of the car. You also get these lovely LED rear lights, and also your number plate light and reverse light are just there at the bottom where your license plate is. You've got the aero filler cap, which is finished in black, which comes as part of the black pack on the arse. That darkens your aero filler cap, your rear stone guards, windscreen surround, and also your headlights. And again, condition-wise, it's pretty much brand new. You join me now on the interior of the 420, and again these places are a very nice place to be sat in. Spec on this one comes with the Momo quick release leather steering wheel, which is always a nice option to have. And you've also got, as part of the R pack, the carbon fibre effect on the main centre tunnel. These seats are the cup and buckets, which are also heated by the switch just up here in front of the gear knob. Carbon dashboard, and again everything else is presented in as new condition. So that brings us to the end of the video walk around on this lovely and well-spec'd 420R SV. If you want to get yourself into a car for this summer and skip all the registration process and a car that's pretty much brand new, then this is a car for you. Feel free to give us a call on 01932 240 611 to find out any more information about the spec, or visit the link in the website down below. Thank you for watching.